This past hunting season, my hunting partner Bob and I decided to hunt elk in 3 different states beginning in September. We have both lost a few close friends this past year, and we are both turning 60, and we don't know how many more Septembers we have, so we decided to make this a bucket list item.
So this is the first morning of our Montana hunt. We started down low and down in the fields. This morning we were down there and there were some pretty big herds. A couple of big bulls, one monster bull, and we're hoping that he's going to be making his way up here on the mountain. So we're going to go check around and putting out a couple of bugles here and there to see if we can get locate on where they're at, and got our fingers crossed that we can get into the action on day one. So Montana, here we are. We've got a couple bulls bugling down below us, and we're gonna walk on down this road, look over the edge, and see if we can get eyes on both of them. Waited for the wind to change. Right now it's about a little bit after 6 o'clock. We gave a bugle out and we got a response up in the timber there. We've got some opening in this clear cut, but we've got a couple of little gullies, drainages. So Paul is gonna head over, drop down on that, and get on the upside. He's gonna be looking for me back over here, 150 yards away. That's the plan. You hear him? He's thrashing up there. Oh yeah. He's got me right there.
20 yards, and the bull was down 15 yards from where we're at. Oh my word. Let's go see him. Woohoo! Bull down! All right, let's go check out Montana bull 6 point. Freaking awesome on the. Oh, look at all this blood. It's a beast. This is the second day of our Montana hunt. We just arrowed this beautiful 6 point bull. We went 35 yards from the shot and piled up. Awesome. Bob, freaking awesome calling, dude. That was just unbelievable. We got up so we could see him. We got some great footage of him raking.
You could see him raking?
Oh, we see him, and then he's standing there bugling.
Good deal.
The whole deal. The interaction with you and the bull was awesome. He worked his way down the ridge to us maybe 30, 40 yards and held up. And he was looking at you, and then caught a little bit of movement from us, and he looked, was sitting there for
Nice spot shot.
what, a couple minutes?
We got some Crown Royal in here, a little celebratory. This is all I had in the trailer real quick, but that's it for Paul. He gets to get first swig off of it.
All right, here's Montana.
Yeah.